Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Instagram Insights not showing. To view Instagram Insights, you must first make sure that your account is in professional mode. For that, you can tap on your account, tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen, scroll down to find Account Type and Tools, tap on Account Type, and make sure that it is either public or a professional account. Even if after switching to professional accounts, your account is still not showing your insights, it may be a network issue. So to rule that out, we're going to be switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and toggling airplane mode on and off. The other thing that you may be trying to do is trying to view your insights too quickly. So try waiting out a couple of days to view your insights one more time, after which Instagram will load your insights. The problem also may be with the Instagram app, which may be glitching. For that, we're going to be heading over to settings, tap on apps, tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, and try clearing storage and cache, which will require you to log back into Instagram and see if that helps. If all else fails, you will have to report the problem to Instagram through their official help page or through the official Instagram app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.